Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you the SurveyMonkey and the results that I have acquired. So I use SurveyMonkey to do the polls, and I asked 5 questions. And within each 5 questions, you go into your account and you press Analyze Results, and you can see exactly who all responds. So 2 and 2 said yes, they've used a DSLR camera, and then 2 said no, they have not. You can also tell if someone skipped the question. For number 2, you can see what each answer was and their answer and what exactly they said. So this was like a type-in problem. On question 3, you see the bar graph again and what each person said they used. And then, so 2 people use Photoshop and 2 people use VSCO to manipulate photos on a computer. And then when shooting portraits, what do you focus on? And so you get 4 different answers there. And then how do you want your photos to change the world? To inspire people, for example, is what someone said. But yes, so that is SurveyMonkey. So you basically just sign up, make a survey, and then you can just analyze results, collect responses, preview score, design survey summary, all of that in order to do it.